Hi there, Mansi here. If you are new to German language, you have probably seen der, die and das everywhere, and it means the. Der Mann, die Frau, das Kind, the man, the lady and the child. So why does German need three words for the? Don't worry. In today's video with Infinite Languages, we will understand German nouns step by step with clear explanations and easy examples. So, what are nouns? Nouns are words that name people, animals, things or ideas. Let's look at some examples. Der Mann, the man, die Katze, the cat, das Buch, the book, and die Freiheit, freedom. It means German also uses nouns like English, but with one important difference, and that is, in German, all nouns always start with a capital letter. It doesn't matter where the noun appears in a sentence. For instance, ich habe ein Buch. The start is schon. This is a fixed rule in German, and beginners should remember it from day one. Now let's talk about something very special. Gender. Every noun in German has a grammatical gender. There are three genders: masculine, feminine and neuter. And these genders are part of the noun. Well, here is an important clarification. Gender in German does not always match natural gender. It is mainly a grammar system. It helps us with choosing correct articles, forming adjective endings, using pronouns like er, sie, es, and making sentences clear. For instance, der Mond, the moon, masculine, die Sonne, the sun, feminine, das Mädchen, the girl, neuter. So, gender is not about logic, it's about grammar. Now you might wonder, how do we actually know the gender of a noun? In German, the gender of a noun is shown by its article. The noun itself usually does not change. The article tells us whether the noun is masculine, feminine or neuter. For instance, der Mann, the man, masculine, die Tasche, the bag, feminine, das Haus, the house, neuter. That's why in German, articles are not extra words, they are gender markers. And here is the most important beginner habit. If you learn nouns with their articles, German becomes much easier later. Let's look at some more noun examples. Masculine, der Mann, the man, der Lehrer, the teacher, der Apfel, the apple. Feminine, die Frau, the lady, die Schule, the school, die Blume, the flower. Neuter, das Kind, the child, das Buch, the book, das Auto, the car. Always remember, article plus noun equals one learning unit. With this, we have covered what nouns are in German, why nouns are capitalized, why German nouns have gender, and how gender is shown by articles. Hope you enjoyed this clear and simple explanation. If so, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more language learning lessons. In the next video, we will learn how German nouns change in plural form. Stay tuned. Thanks for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.